Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fix It. This one we have a headlight that's out on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2009. On this vehicle, this is the passenger side headlight. The outside light is the low beam on this vehicle. The inside is the high beam. So to replace the bulb, we're going to replace the low beam. We're going to take off this cap here, if you can see it. Now the owner's manual will tell you to take off you have to take the entire assembly out by taking these bolts out up here. I was able to replace the bulb without removing the entire assembly. So on the other side is where I had to do it by the driver's side. So you see that one is very tight in there. I was able to get my hand in there to get that cap off, but I had to take off that negative battery cable, and I can fit behind there and get the cap off. So we'll show you how to do that without having to take the whole assembly off. Okay, so you can take this black cap off, rotate it counterclockwise, very simple. It comes off. And there's your light bulb in there. I don't know if you can see it. But the way it installs the blue dot down, and you're just going to twist and pop, turn it out, and pull it out. There's no harness on that one for the low beam. And then you'll replace it. Take the old one out, and I'll show you the new one. So on this vehicle, the bulb for the low beam is the H11B bulb. There's some confusion on this vehicle. I got the wrong one from the parts store, since the high beam has a different model number, which is H7. So make sure you get the correct bulb for the one you're changing. It's a totally different bulb, right? It's got the blue dot on the bottom. You'll know that that's the one for the low beam, which is the outer one. And another tip I'll tell you from experience is these black caps that go over the light. Make sure you put these back on before you drive off. I wound up taking one of them off and setting it on top of the coolant canister here, and it was black. I didn't see it, and I drove off and it came out. So make sure you put all of those back before you drive off. Otherwise it's going to be a pain. Alright, and the other tip I'll tell you is do not touch these bulbs with your fingers, the bulb part, the glass part. So you may want to wear some gloves or something when you're doing it, but just handle it by the base only, and you'll be good to go. Alright, thanks guys. Please subscribe. Take care.